Hello, Chieftains. Big changes here at Sapulpa High School and Junior High School. As you may have heard, the northwest parking lot up against Mission Street will be closing December 2nd. And this will change not only the parking situation, but the flow of traffic and even drop-off points for high school students. But us here at Chieftain TV, we wanted to give you a visual representation and a tour of the new changes and what you can anticipate in both parking and how to enter and exit the school. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Here's Dewey Street, where Dewey meets Mission. If you want to enter the high school, you're going to have to take this street. Now, parking will still be available for students behind Dominos in that parking lot for now. You'll drive down Dewey for everybody else. Don't forget, that lot there on the right you're looking at, you can't park there. Only visitors and deliveries from now on. Now, staff who usually park there, specifically the 800 and 700 hall teachers, you do have parking available for you at Holmes Park now. Stay out of the blue spots because those will be reserved for Holmes Park. Now, this drive is the only two-way drive to get to the back of the school. You may exit or enter there. To the east of the 600 hall, you have staff parking available and special ed drop-off. In the student parking lot in the back, we're going to be repainting some lines. Yellow spaces are staff parking, specifically from the tree north. It'll be clearly marked for the staff to park. Now, students, you will still have a good amount of this parking lot. All of the non-yellow painted lines will be your parking. Now, the bus drop-off has moved down to the band hall, as is where the student drop-off is for cars, right here. You'll go in through Commons from there. It's worth noting, since buses and cars will be dropping off students, you must be alert. You must drive slow and be careful, my friends. Now, staff, you have some additional parking in the row against the Chieftain Center and the row directly next to it. So that one aisle of parking is additional staff parking. Students, fret not. You do have some additional parking given to you that was not available before. Specifically, the gravel parking lot here. Now, with this change of parking and traffic, unfortunately, this drive now is only one way, exit only from 7 to 3:30, as is the exit near the tennis court. So this creates a loop around the campus. Now, that circle there did signify more student parking. That is student-only parking. So students, you might actually be increasing your parking spaces. Now, the junior high drop-off will stay the same as the roundabout there on the south side of the building. That right there is the main parking lot that is getting closed. You'll see that circle signifying where visitors and deliveries may park. But, you know, we're going to have some growing pains. There's going to be some accommodations, some compromises, but all of this to have this brand new high school. I know I'm excited. Thank you, Chieftains, for watching, and have a great Thanksgiving.